All right, today I have a Maserati, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights on this specific Maserati. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of my Maserati. In order to turn on the hazard lights, also called the hazard flashers, also called the flashers, also called the hazard flasher lights. That's a lot to say, but also called hazards. Did I say that? Anyway, so what you're going to do is, I'm sitting inside on the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look towards the center of the vehicle, and you'll want to find a button that looks like this. It's a triangle within a triangle. All right. So this is the button for the hazard lights, hazard flashers. So what I'll do is I'll press this, and you'll see that it starts blinking like that. And if you look up on the instrument panel, they are also blinking both the left and right turn signals. They're both blinking, and that's indicative that the hazard flashers warning lights are on. Now, to turn it off, all you have to do is go back to the center where this triangle is flashing and press it one more time. And you see that the flashing stops. Instrument panel right here, the flashing stops. The left and right hand turn signals are no longer on. And that is how you turn the hazard lights on and off, or also called the warning lights or hazard flasher lights, on and off in this Maserati. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.